Now to our other big story tonight at 5, the list of California counties urging people to mask up indoors now includes most of the Bay Area. You see the colors there in yellow.
Yeah, full 7 Bay Area counties are following Sacramento and Los Angeles counties in calling on residents to wear a mask for indoor public gatherings. Our Chron 4's Rob Flatibo spoke with health officials in the South Bay and brings us now up to date on some of those changes. He is live now from San Jose. Rob?
That's right, Vicki. This is a recommendation, not an order, but it's the only way, perhaps the best way, to stop the spread of the highly contagious Delta variant, which is spreading almost exclusively among people who have not been vaccinated. Here's more. It's a recommendation, not an order. Public health departments in 7 Bay Area counties on Friday recommended that everyone, regardless of vaccination status, wear face masks in public indoor places. The advisories come amid the spread of COVID-19 cases across the region due to the highly contagious Delta variant, according to Santa Clara County's Dr. Sarah Rudman.
We are still seeing rising case rates. We've had a tripling in our case rate in the last 3 weeks, and we think much of it may be related to the more transmissible Delta variant we're seeing here.
The recommendation impacting Santa Clara, Contra Costa, Marin, San Francisco, San Mateo, Sonoma, and the city of Berkeley seeks to ensure easy verification that all unvaccinated people are masked in those indoor settings and as an extra precaution for all, says Dr. Rudman.
Making this recommendation for everyone regardless of vaccination status will both help businesses and individuals ensure that we're able to have unvaccinated folks comply with the requirements to wear masks indoors and add a layer of protection for everyone by asking the vaccinated individuals to wear masks indoors in public as well.
Officials are recommending people wear masks indoors in settings like grocery stores or retail stores, theaters, and family entertainment centers. In June, the Delta variants comprised 43% of all specimens sequenced in California. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention reports that Delta variants are now responsible for 58% of new infections across the country.
We continue to monitor here how our case rates are changing, how sick people are getting, and what variants are arising here. And as that information evolves, we'll continue to adapt these types of recommendations as necessary.
The joint statement included a reminder that workplaces must comply with Cal-OSHA requirements, and fully vaccinated employees are encouraged to wear masks indoors if their employer has not confirmed the vaccination status of those around them. Now, here in Santa Clara County, a full 82% of people are fully vaccinated. 76% of residents are halfway there. Officials also reminding people that vaccination sites like the one here at the Expo Hall at the Santa Clara County Fairgrounds are open every day of the week, and they're urging people to get vaccinated to stop the spread of the Delta variant. Live in San Jose, Rob Flatibo, Chron 4 News.